Good evening, everyone. This is Scott with PWWCards.com, Prestige Worldwide Sports and Cards. We're getting ready to do another 4-box break of 2021 Chronicles Draft Picks Basketball. This is 4-box eBay break number 3. It is Thursday, October the 21st. Here are 4 more boxes from the case that we opened on the first break. So good luck to everybody. Thanks for getting in the break. As always, if you want shipping, insurance, signature confirmation, or magnetic case one touch for any of your hits, get that at pwwcards.com. Good luck to everybody. Here we go. Box number 1. Two thick packs. Alright. Here we go. Oop, a little lower. What that? Jalen Green, Zaire Williams, Joel Oyai. I don't know how you say that. Brandon Boston Jr., Scotty Barnes, Franz Wagner, Jaden Springer, Josh Christopher, rated rookie, Jared Butler, and an Isaiah Jackson. That's a red, number to 149. Set that aside. And then our first hit is a Franz Wagner Panini Threads Jumbo Relic for Franz. Going out to the Orlando Magic and Eitzel. Congratulations. That's coming to you. What do we have? An auto as well. Look at that. Jalen Crutcher, numbered to 99. Jalen Crutcher. My list is unsigned, so we'll double check that. Make sure he hasn't signed with anybody since the break, or since my cheat sheet was created, but that would go to the none team spot if not. Let's see. Zaire Williams, Jalen Green. There's a Kai Jones, Jaden Springer, Cade Cunningham, Franz Wagner, Isaiah Jackson, Jonathan Kuminga, Jalen Johnson. We got a Flux, Davion Mitchell, Trey Mann, Luka Garza, and then a silver Greg Brown. Going up to the Portland Trail Blazers. Nice silver action there for you. And then Blazers. All right, pack number 2. All right, Kai Jones. Queta, maybe? There's a Cade Cunningham rated rookie. Kuminga. Isaiah Jackson. Jalen Suggs. Dosunmu. Keon Johnson. Corey Kispert. And a Davion Mitchell. First hit is a Matthew Hurt, numbered to 199 jersey relic. He's unsigned as well, according to my cheat sheet. So again, we'll check on that. Otherwise, it goes to the none team spot. After that, we have a redemption. It is for, how about this? A Flux rookie autograph of Charles Bassey. Charles Bassey of the Philadelphia 76ers. William H. There you go. That's coming to you. We have to use our imagination on that one, but I'm sure it looks beautiful. Trey Mann, Evan Mobley, Davion Mitchell, Josh Christopher, Keon Johnson, Scotty Barnes, Cameron Thomas, Jalen Suggs, Moses Moody Optic, Jalen Johnson Flux, Cameron Thomas, and then a blue Mosaic Franz Wagner going out to the Orlando Magic. Orlando, that is again Eitzel C. Nice blue parallel there. It is numbered 65 out of 99. 65 out of 99 on that one. That does it for box number 1. All right, box number 2. right. Move that cutter out of the way. Greg Brown, Cade Cunningham, Jalen Suggs. There's a Kuminga, Isaiah Jackson, Dosunmu, Keon Johnson, Corey Kispert, Davion Mitchell, and a Trey Mann. Then we have a Cam Thomas. Look at that. Nice threads jersey relic going out to the Nets. Eitzel C coming your way. And then we have an auto. It is, look at that, Jonathan Kuminga on card. JK. Just joking. No. It's blue auto. It is numbered 15 out of 49. Very nice. That one is going out to Kuminga's Warriors, right? Golden State. That's going to be Eitzel C. Eitzel, congratulations. Very nice hit. Green, Kuminga, Johnson, Cunningham, Wagner, Jackson, Christopher. Then we have an Evan Mobley red, numbered to 149. Very nice. Going out to the Cavs. Cleveland, Aaron G. Josh Christopher Mosaic, Matthew Hurt, Kai Jones Optic, and then something sticking to it. Oh, look at that. A blue flux of Davion Mitchell. Davion Mitchell of the Sacramento Sadie B. That's coming to you. That one's numbered 10 out of 99. All right, next pack. Garza, Moses Moody, Jalen Johnson, Cam Thomas, Mobley. There's a Jalen Green, Zaire Williams, Chris Duarte, Gray, and Thomas. That Thomas is numbered to 99. You can see there it's like a, what is that, blue? There's sapphire color. First hit in this pack is Tools of the Trade, James Bouknight. That's my guess on his name, James. Going out to the Hornets, Charlotte. That is Chris G. Chris, congrats. Coming at you. And then our auto is a Justin Turner, numbered to 99. Justin Turner. Looks like he's unsigned, at least on my sheet. We'll double check on that, but otherwise we'll go to the known spot. Trey Mann, Keon Johnson, Evan Mobley, Davion Mitchell, Moses Moody, Dosunmu, Barnes, Thomas, Greg Brown, Cade Cunningham, Jalen Suggs, and then a Moses Moody silver. Going out to the Golden State Warriors. Golden State is Eitzel C. That does it for box number 2. So, not a bad run there in the first box, or second box, I mean. The Kuminga auto, I think, not too shabby. There are 2 packs. All right, Boston Jr., Barnes, Wagner, Springer, Christopher, Butler, Jones, Brown, Cunningham, and Suggs. Start us out on that box. After that, how about Tools of the Trade? It is Jalen Johnson. That one's numbered to 199. Jalen Johnson of the Hawks, Atlanta. That's going to be Drew V. Drew, there you go. It's coming to you. Then we have a redemption. It is Contenders Optic College Ticket Blue. Neemias Queta? Is that how you pronounce that? I don't know. Either way, that's going out to the Sacramento Kings. And Sadie B. Sadie, congrats. Wagner, Jackson, Kaminga, Johnson, Mobley, Mitchell, Mann. There's a Jaden Springer number to 99. Nice insert there. Duarte, Gray, Scotty Barnes optic, not too bad. And then how about an Isaiah Jackson? Is that pink or red? I don't know. Either way, pretty nice Isaiah Jackson going out to the Pacers. Indiana is Megan C. That one is numbered 45 out of 149. Scotty Barnes and a Austin Reeves. Let's see what we can do. Bassey, Moody, Johnson, Cam Thomas, Evan Mobley, Jalen Green. That's Zaire Williams, Chris Duarte, and a Kai Jones number to 99. Like Kai Jones, blue. Then we have a rookie threads. It is Davion Mitchell, number to 199. Sacramento. That is Sadie B. After that, we have an auto Donruss rated rookie blue, numbered to 75. DJ Carton. DJ Carton going out to the Charlotte Hornets. It looks like Chris G. Chris, that's coming to you. Marquette. Dosunmu. Springer. Kispert. Williams. Jalen Green. Kai Jones. Jalen Johnson. Cade Cunningham. Evan Mobley. Jalen Green. Zaire Williams. Flux. And then a silver. Look at that. Silver select Cade Cunningham. There you go. Going out to the Pistons. Detroit. That's Zachary C. Zachary, congrats on that Cunningham silver select. That does it for box 3. All right, on to box number 4. Thanks again for getting the break. As always, if you'd like shipping, insurance, signature confirmation, or magnetic case one-touch, you can get that at pwwcards.com. That's pwwcards.com. Good luck on this last box. Joel AI? I don't know. Boston Jr., Scotty Barnes, Wagner. There's a Jordan Springer, Josh Christopher, Jared Butler, Kai Jones, Queta, and a Cade Cunningham Donruss rated rookie. First hit is, look at that, a certified freshman fabric of Isaiah Jackson, number to 99. So another nice Isaiah Jackson there. This one is a swatch auto going out to the Pacers. Indiana is Megan C. Congrats, Megan. Clear patch and the auto all in one. Kispert, Wagner, Jackson, Kaminga, Jalen Johnson, Cade Cunningham, Evan Mobley, then a Jalen Green blue recon, number to 99. Jared Butler, Kai Jones, Greg Brown optic, and then a red Jalen Johnson mosaic. Going up to the Hawks, Atlanta, Drew V. Drew, congrats. That's coming to you, and it is numbered to 149. All right. Second. Okay. Scotty Barnes, Franz Wagner, Jaden Springer, Herbert Jones, Jared Butler, Kai Jones, Greg Brown, Cade Cunningham Luminance, Jalen Suggs, and then a Cade Cunningham numbered to 99. little blue action there for Detroit. Get some mojo in his last one, hopefully. Next up, how about another Isaiah Jackson? Man, he's been all over this break. Rookie thread, numbered to 199. Isaiah Jackson going up to the Pacers. Megan C. There you go, Megan. And then we have an Origins auto, numbered to 199. It's Jordan Shackle, something like that. Jordan. Going up to the Wizards. Washington is Jacob R. Jacob, congrats. That one's coming to you, looks like. Isaiah Jackson, Jonathan Kuminga, Jalen Johnson, Cade Cunningham, Evan Mobley, Marquis, Davion Mitchell, Josh Christopher, Keon Johnson, Day'Ron Sharp, Charles Bassey, then a Moses Moody Flux, and then we finish off with a Scotty Barnes Silver Mosaic. Last one in the box. Last pack of the break, Scotty Barnes going up to Toronto. Congrats on that. And that does it for the break, guys. Thanks to everybody for getting the break. We'll get those sorted and shipped out. You have any questions, let us know. Appreciate you getting the break. Look forward to breaking again with you soon. Hope you have a good rest of your week, a good weekend, a great weekend. You stay safe. Peace.